Hi everybody, welcome back to Bobby's Bees, and today we are going to talk about how to make your own inner cover. These are pretty easy if you have a table saw or access to a table saw. You can use a circular saw too, but you would have to really make sure that you're making the cuts precisely. But if you don't want to do this, if you don't want to build this or don't have the tools to build it, you can always use feed sacks, like chicken pellet sacks, the 50-pound bags that the feed come in. If you don't have animals, contact somebody that has animals and get those extra sacks that they have that they're probably just throwing away. You put it over the top of your hive and then cut about an inch or two of hangover. You're going to get 3 inner covers just from one sack. And really you just take that square, fold it in half again, and then cut the corner off. Unfold it and you'll have a nice hole in the center for the bees to escape or for the hive the colony to vent. So inner covers prevent comb from being built on top of the frames and the top of the hive sticking together. When you go to take the top off, if you don't have an inner cover, you might have trouble getting the top off because the bees have managed to stick the top to the top of the frames. So that's what's so important about having an inner cover. It prevents the top from sticking, and it also prevents the bees from making comb where they shouldn't. Okay, this is a board that's cut to fit on our swarm traps. It's the exact same dimensions as a hive, which is 16 1/4 wide by 20 inches long. So what I do is I just use this as a platform. I put these down and I use a little bit of wood glue and I nail the frame together, elevated on something. And today I'm using some vent boxes for some nukes. And once we get this glued together, use good glue. You can throw another one in there too, just to straighten it out. I love this tool. This tool is amazing. Okay, so every corner's got a couple nails in it, and it's pretty. They made it just like a picture frame by 14 1/2. Sweet, huh? And that's an inner cover. You can make your own. Cool, huh? Hi, my name is Bobby, and welcome to the Rabbitry Center. I've been raising rabbits for many years, and my goal here is to give you advice that's honest, practical, and it's based on real experience. It's not theoretical. because raising rabbits can be fun, rewarding, and even profitable when it's done right. There's so many people on YouTube, and like a lot of folks, I didn't start out just knowing everything. I made my share of mistakes, from housing setups that didn't work, feeding routines I had to adjust. There were some tough lessons, some losses, and over the years I've tested and learned and improved, and now I share those lessons so you don't have to make the same mistakes. Now, you may not agree with everything that I say or do. That's perfectly okay. If your goal is to raise rabbits indoors, or mainly for pets or show, I'd recommend finding a YouTube creator who shares those same goals and adopting their methods. But if your goal is production, raising rabbits for meat, building a backyard profit, and using your passion to create a better lifestyle, more freedom, more time with your family, then you're in the right place. That's my specialty. That's what I love helping folks achieve. And to support you, I've created hundreds of videos covering almost every topic in the rabbit production. Just type in the Rabbitry Center followed by your topic into the search engine. And you'll find my firsthand experience and honest opinions. I also host a podcast. I offer a list of published books and guides and offer online courses that walk you step by step through turning your rabbitry into a business. And while rabbits are at the heart of what I do, we also share our adventures in beekeeping and deer hunting. Here in Michigan, it's a big deal. So if you enjoy animals, homesteading, or the outdoors, you'll feel right at home. So if you're ready to raise rabbits with confidence, avoid the mistakes I've already made, and learn how to turn your passion into something sustainable, hit that subscribe button and join me here at the Rabbitry Center. I'm glad you're here, and I can't wait to help you on your rabbitry journey.